Diyan.
Yan, okay.
For split type aircon na free na talaga. So, this will be your living room, dining room, and then may balcony lang kayo dito.
So, yung balcony, 1
Tatlo po ang meron kayong tatlo dito.
facing Belmont.
And then doon po is, New Zealand. Charot. With 52 cows.
Pero nakatago yung ibang house. Yes.
And makikita niyo din po dito, Ma'am Mardy, yung yung Marriott courtyard.
Yeah. Init lang.
Oh, mainit. Diyan.
Yan, okay. And
And
then,
then, ito na po, yung first room natin dito. As you can see, ma'am, yung tile dito is ceramic plank. Parang wood yung style niya. Then your walk-in closet, plus yung split-type aircon free. Each room po kasi may split-type aircon na, including the living room.
sorry, may walk-in closet?
Yes.
Ah, you mean,
Yes.
okay.
And then may another two dito, sa to, para
Okay. So, ito yung second balcony.
nice.
Nakatapat sa New Zealand.
Yes.
Yeah. And then, there's another window.
So this is the master bedroom ng Marty.
Okay. With the bathroom.
And
Okay.
then, dito, yung dalawang bedroom. Also have here the common CR and
Okay.
toilet and bath.
And that's for the 2 bedrooms. So, this is the second bedroom. May closet then.
Closet, split aircon, then window facing New Zealand.
Okay. Ayan.
And ito po, intern.
Okay.
Same
Third bedroom.
closet,
Pero ito merong balcony.
balcony din.
Okay. Alright. Tapos, ito yung kitchen.
Tapos, ma'am, makikita mo dito, ma'am, sa 3 bedroom, meron kang 4 electric burners with oven, under an overhead cabinet, plus yung countertop granite. And then spare room. For
Then spare
washroom,
room.
maid's room, or storage room.
Okay. Tapos, ito yung CR.
CR. Oh, lock yata. Lock yata. Yan ang ibang agents, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. So,
Alright.
yan po. May exhaust na rin pala dito, mama.
Ah. Alright, that's it.
And then, ma'am, meron pala kayong na dito na wifi. Mag-a-apply na lang po kayo para ma-transfer siya sa name nyo. And then, your intercom. Okay.
Okay.